This tutorial will show you some of the features of the Britannica Encyclopedia database. We're going to start off on the library website. Click on Research and Databases. Remember, you'll need to use a generic login that we have for our school in order to access any database when you're off campus. So you need to click on this document, the passwords for students, to see what those are. I'm already logged in, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Britannica School. Junior high is middle school, so I'm going to select that. And there are some nice features here on the landing page. Some different things to explore, articles, images, biographies, just some topics of interest here. Once you start looking at things, you'll have information there. And some fun little brief videos that you can look at. And then there's a daily buzzword. Lots of great content. But mostly you'll be using this just as an encyclopedia resource. So I'm going to click on Search and type in a search for an atom. The reading level 2 is middle school level. Once you open up an article, you can change it to 1 if you just want like a brief overview, kind of skim through the content, or you can change it to a 3, which obviously then would be high school, if you would like something more in-depth or you need more information for your project. The results list first shows me the word I looked for as the main entry, the top entry, and then some other related entries as well. So I'm going to click the first one. Alright, here's another place where I can adjust the reading level. You'll see the text change a little bit, and the picture as well. And I'm going to jump up to a 3. See how the content changes for the reading level. So we'll stay at a 2 for middle school. There are some options across the top here. If you want to look at images and videos, then we see all the things we just saw for every different reading level. Related topics as well. Alright, so what you need to do is you need to read the article in order to get your information. One nice feature about this is if you don't know the definition of a word, all you have to do is double click and the dictionary pops up. It tells you what it is, and you can also click on it in Spanish and it will translate the word to Spanish. It does not define it, it just translates it. If you would like to save this article, you can send it to your Google Drive. And you log in with your school account. And it will create a folder within your Google Drive just for articles from Britannica. You can mark this article as a favorite. You can print it. And then if you click the check mark here, you get the source citation, which is something that we always want to have done for us, right? So you'd have to copy and paste that wherever you need it. You can translate any article using Google Translate. So it changes the language of the article there. And then if you want to get rid of that, you just click Show Original and close out the translator. You can listen to it, have the article read to you. And you can increase and decrease the font size if you need that assistance as well. Any of the images that you find in the Britannica Encyclopedia are free for you to use. The copyright does not prevent you from using those for your projects. So that's a really nice tool for students to have. And you can also find the citation for the photos and the videos provided as well. Just find that check mark Make sure it's MLA that we use, and there's your citation right there. This was a tutorial of how to access some features in the Britannica Encyclopedia.